According to a new study by Arizona Christian University, nearly a third of millennials in the United States identify as LGBTQ. The study, conducted in August and published last month, surveyed 600 people between the ages of 18 and 37 in an effort to provide insight into the generation. The research defines millennials as people born from 1984 to 2003. Most studies, however, define them as being born between 1977 and 1995. According to the study, millennials are redefining sexuality, their own, and how to perceive and respond to the gender identity and sexual orientation choices of others. 39% of the 30% millennials who identified as LGBTQ were between the ages of 18 and 24. Other findings suggest that American millennials are also most anti-establishment, unpatriotic, pro-freedom of religion, and desperately trying to find a purpose in life. Millennials in the study voted the management of the COVID-19 pandemic as the most important issue the country is facing and disregarded rule of law, national defense, and national values and morals as the least compelling, with only 2% voting in their favor. The study unveiled that close to half of the young adults prefer socialism to capitalism. 40% self-identified as liberal or progressive compared to just 29% who claim to be conservative. The generation is more likely to be liberal than conservative regarding fiscal matters, social issues, and governance, the study found. 1 out of every 3 young adults, that is 33%, said that they had personally participated in a protest, march, rally, or demonstration during the prior month. Volunteering their time to help people and donating money to organizations other than a church or religious center were voted as the go-to ways millennials engage with their community. Those surveyed voted the state of the nation as the area they were least satisfied with. Only 15% said they were pleased with the current state of affairs in the United States. But beyond the progressive ideals, the generation, overwhelmed by a public mental health crisis as suicide rates among the group spike at an alarming rate, is aching to find a purpose in life. They admitted to feeling stressed, depressed, or anxious and lost. 3 in 4 millennials said they were still trying to find their purpose in life, and 7 in 10 said they would sacrifice their life for something, most likely to save, protect, or defend family members and their freedom. The things they were least likely to sacrifice their life for were the country and their most cherished possessions. For the most part, the generation rejected the idea of an ultimate and absolute moral truth, but held favorable views about the Bible and Jesus. Millennials were more likely to have a negative than positive view of atheism, the study found, despite 40 of the young adults surveyed not believing, knowing, or caring if God exists. The study surveyed millennials between the ages of 18 and 37, even though most sources only regard those between 25 to 40 as part of the generational group. A Gallup poll in February earlier this year found that 1 in 6 members of the Generation Z, which millennials fall under, were part of the LGBTQ community.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.